Are you tired of creative blocks? Frustrated with generic, lifeless AI art? What if I told you that you could unlock an endless stream of inspiration right now, for free? You're about to get my entire creative sandbox, a massive, unfiltered goldmine of over 70,000 prompts for the ChatGPT image generator and more. This is the very archive where I discover my best ideas, and today I'm giving it all to you. And this isn't just some boring text file. This is a powerful offline app that runs directly in your browser. No installation, no sign-up, absolutely no catch. Inside, you'll find a massive visual library, over 70,000 prompts, each with its own high-quality image preview. Scroll through an endless world of styles and ideas and find exactly what you need in seconds with the advanced search and filtering system. Found a prompt you love? Save it to your favorites. Organize your best ideas into custom folders with simple drag-and-drop ease. Customize your workflow with light and dark modes and adjustable card sizes, all built for your comfort. And the best part? It works 100% offline. No internet? No problem. Your creative process remains completely private, lightning fast, and yours alone. You might notice the file is a bit large, and there's a simple reason for that. Every single one of those 70,000 prompts comes with its own image, turning your computer into a fully visual offline inspiration engine. It's time to conquer creative block forever. It's time to unearth truly unique visual styles and find unconventional ideas that no one else is using. Ready to unlock your creativity? The link is in the description below. Click it now to get your instant, free download of the 70,000+ exploration gallery. Stop staring at a blank page. Start creating your next masterpiece today.